Hello happy YouTubers, welcome back. Marcelina here with you. In this video I will show how to graft citrus trees by Pat's Budding. So don't go away, be right back. When life gives you lemons, it's time to refresh yourself. Delicious. Oh my gosh, I have been drinking lemon water since this morning. I don't know how many glasses. I don't want to be turning into a lemonade, but I felt great though. So what we're gonna be doing today, guys, we're gonna be grafting citrus by Pat's Budding. So we will be grafting before the end of the season, and hopefully by the next year we're gonna be an expert. What do you think? Before we begin, guys, I have good news and I'm so excited to share this news with you. We added another t-shirt, lemon t-shirt. Look at that, it's so comfortable, and I love the expression, when life gives you lemons, it's time to refresh yourself. So if you love lemon or you grow lemon, tag along with me and you might consider getting one of my lemon t-shirt. It is a really nice t-shirt, very comfortable. So I will link this product below this video, check them out. So what we're going to graft today, guys, is Tangelo. So this is the Tangelo, and we're going to graft this in Eureka. Now, Pat's Budding is only performed when it is difficult to do the chip budding. So that's why you use Pat's Budding. So let's go ahead and do the procedure. So what is the easiest methods of cloning citrus trees? Air layering or grafting? Oh my goodness. So this is for today, folks. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit likes if you enjoyed this video. And if you need lemons, check the description below this video. Or if you want any other merchandise that we had, check that also. So thank you for watching, guys. This is Marcelina at cashewgreens.com. See you next time. Peace.